If your team needs consistent on-brand content, your brand kit is where it all begins. In Adobe Express, it takes just a few minutes to set up the colors, fonts, logos, and assets your whole organization can use. Let me show you. Open Adobe Express and go to Brands. Click Create Brand, and you'll see two ways to get started. The first option, Manual Setup. It's straightforward to build your brand kit from scratch. Give it a name, then begin adding your brand logos, graphics, colors, and fonts. This is ideal for new campaigns, new sub-brands, or teams who want full control over each element. The second way, extract brand from upload in beta, which is a convenient one-click brand setup. If you already have brand guidelines or any approved campaign asset, upload it here. Express will automatically extract your logos, colors, and design elements, building your brand kit for you. The third and final option, turn Creative Cloud libraries into brand kits. If your creative or brand team already maintains assets inside Creative Cloud libraries, you don't have to rebuild anything. Select the library your team already uses and convert it into a brand kit in one click. This instantly makes approved logos, colors, and assets available to everyone creating content in Express. When uploading your logos, upload your primary logo, secondary mark, and any variations your team uses. Then, assign roles, primary or secondary, so Express knows which logo to use by default in templates. Assign your headline and body fonts. You can upload custom fonts or choose from thousands in Adobe fonts already included. Once saved, Express applies these automatically when anyone uses your templates. Add your core brand colors using hex values, plus any accent or campaign colors. Then, I recommend assigning each color palette a role, primary, secondary, or none, to keep designs consistent across teams. Upload any reusable assets your team rely on, hero images, product shots, icons, illustrations, patterns, or background textures. These assets live inside your brand kit, so everyone pulls from the same approved source instead of digging through shared drives. Tip: if your creative team organizes assets in Creative Cloud libraries, you can mirror that structure in Express. Create groups or categories inside your brand kit to keep visuals tidy and easy to browse. Now that your brand is set up, here's where the magic happens. Anytime you or your team are designing in Express, you can access your brand logos, colors, fonts, and assets right inside the editor. And with Apply Brand, you can style an entire design in one click, instantly bringing everything in line with your brand guidelines. Click Share and choose whether people can view, edit, or use the kit. You can share with individuals, groups, or entire teams so everyone creates content that feels cohesive. When your brand kit is set up, everything that comes after, templates, presentations, social posts, and videos, become faster and far more consistent. Whether you're in design, marketing, HR, or sales, Adobe Express ensures one setup that powers every design your team creates.